If you're hosting a structured meeting, like a webinar, or a meeting with a large audience in Microsoft Teams, add the Q&A app to organize how attendees ask questions. Before your webinar starts, go to your meeting invite and select Add a tab, the plus sign. Search for the Q&A app, or if it's already available, select it and then Add. Choose Initial Webinar Settings to allow attendees to ask new questions or respond to conversations. If there's anyone you want to be a moderator, be sure to make them an organizer for the webinar. Select Moderate Attendee Conversations to let organizers determine which questions should be published to the Q&A feed. And when you're ready, select Save. When the webinar is in progress, attendees can submit questions. In the Q&A panel, on the In Review tab, presenters and organizers can see submitted questions in a private moderator view. Choose and publish which questions you'd like attendees to see. These will appear on the Published tab. And to review any irrelevant or duplicate questions that you dismissed, select the Dismissed tab. Select All Conversations, Unanswered Questions to sort and find unanswered ones and address them. Respond to a question and post it when you're ready. Once answered and posted, all attendees will see a question and its response. Want to make sure everyone sees an important post? Choose the one you want and select the 3 dots. Pin Conversation, so it's at the top of the Q&A panel.